violation of their rights as visitors or working nationals in this country. We certainly have the Constitution to guide government authorities in dealing with them. We will not allow any abuse on any foreign visitor or worker in this country. From our own countrymen, we have laws. We have always to enforce the law.
And sir, they're calling on the Philippine government to pay more attention to China's position and concerns and punish Philippine casinos, pogos, and other form of gambling entities for illegal employment of Chinese citizens.
My suggestion to them is they should file formal complaints so that this particular concern will be raised in the appropriate agencies of the government so that we can properly respond.
Okay, sir. But has China or the Chinese embassy reached out to Malacanang or the government regarding this? Kasi this statement was posted on their
That is
embassy
precisely
website
why
today.
I'm urging them to file formal complaints on any perceived abuses committed against the Chinese nationals.
But so far, sir, wala pa po kayong nare-receive na formal communication?
None
from
that
them?
I know of.
Okay, sir. Thank you po.
Okay. Pia, for the same topic, follow-up.
Sir, follow-up lang. Sir, even before the statement of the Chinese embassy, itong issue na ito, the problem of illegal employment of and abuse of Chinese workers here in the Philippines, it's already known. So may nagawa na po bang malaki ang government in cracking down sa mga employers na ito?
But unless there is an official complaint in reference to this, the government cannot do anything. You have to file a formal complaint on particular instances of violations of their rights.
So who would be filing these
Of
complaints?
course, the victims.
The problem, sir, kasi yung mga victims are scared to go to the authorities kasi number one, nakuha yung kanilang mga passports, and number two, because illegal yung working in a
Yes, but
casino
we
in China, parang may takot sila na baka kasuhan din sila.
Yes, but the government has to have a foundation for that. How can you respond to something you do not even know of? There has to be complaint. That's why we are urging them to do it.
Wala pa po bang action dito, sir, ang Bureau of Immigration or the Labor Department kung hawak man nila itong
Well, if
mga
there is no
pogos nito?
complaint reaching them, how can they react to that?
But now that the Chinese embassy has called on the Philippine government, may gagawin po ba
Still the same.
Philippine
They
government
have to
matopropyo?
file formal complaint. Cite specific instances, particular names, identities, dates, situations, so that we can properly respond.
And who would take action in this, sir, pag may na-file na
O
complaint?
kung nagreklamo ka sa, halimbawa sa immigration, they would refer that to the proper authorities, sa DOJ. Kailangan talaga mayroong reklamo.
Sir, can you give assurance din sa mga Chinese workers or who want to step out pero natatakot sila?
That's why we're telling them now, please institute complaint against these employers that are violating your rights, because this government will not allow any abuses committed against them.